emergency now in this lockdown? Is it a COVID case? Who knows? So, as you heard this ambulance siren, you can obviously know that in our country every day there are many emergency cases. Now because of COVID-19 also there can be emergency cases or for some other illness. So now MG, which is Morris Garages India, has brought a new ambulance prototype, which is the Hector ambulance. So we'll talk all about it in this video. So you must be very excited and you must be racking your brains. What the hell is he talking about? Hector ambulance? What is this? We'll know about it in this video. Let's start. So first let me give you a background of MG Motors in India. So MG Hector was launched in India on June 27, 2019, which is last year, and it was a runaway success for MG. So now, as they thought that, during this COVID situation where there's a lot of ruckus around the world where people are not getting the best medical facility or not able to travel to hospitals or nursing homes, so that's where MG didn't launch, just made a prototype of a Hector ambulance. So Hector ambulance, in which what they did is they removed the the parcel tray, the rear seats, and there they made a full facility like ambulance, which is a stretcher with a bed with 2 seats for the family members to sit in, and also a big area where the medicines will be stored, your injections will be stored, your ventilator will be sold, I'm not sold, but yes, it will be kept over there. And apart from that, any whatever medical facility is to be provided for the patient, that will all be available in it. So this is not a car which will be launched, but this is just a prototype to see if this is a success. And why MG has chosen the Hector for this job is because it has a long wheelbase and a long length, which always helps in putting the bed to make the patient sleep on it. A full grown adult can also sleep in it comfortably, or he can rest on it, or he can be rest upon it. So that's how it will be. Apart from that, this is the mid variant which they have made a prototype of with the different type of alloys, not the top end alloys. And apart from that, the design cues are exactly the same from the front, from the side, from the rear. Everything is same. In the interior also, the front part will be a little different, the dashboard will be a little different, but from the rear it has completely been changed. So this was something about the Hector ambulance. So now I'll show you the images over here. So yeah, and let me tell you that this they have tested it in Halol, Gujarat, and this is basically for the testing over there to see if this prototype is a success or not. So now let's move on to the pictures to show you how the Hector ambulance looks. So let me tell you, from the front profile, the Hector ambulance is exactly the same like the original Hector, not the Hector Plus, the Hector. And let me tell you that the grille is exactly the same, the lights are exactly the same, the fog lamps are exactly same, everything is same from the front. From the side, we'll be getting 17-inch machine cut alloy wheels, which will be a normal aluminum finished ones. And apart from that, everything remains same from the side also. From the rear also, there will be 2 tail lamps, LED tail lamps, which will be connected by one red stripping. It's not a LED light, but just a stripping. And on top of it will be the MG logo. And when we open it, that's where the glory is, where we'll be getting the bed, the stretcher or the bed, then all the other equipments which will be needed. So here is the image of the Hector ambulance from inside. But of course, the dashboard I feel is a little different, but of course we are not very sure about it, because only 1 or 2 days ago MG had revealed that they have given the delivery of this Hector ambulance. Let me tell you, MG is also doing a wonderful job of donating 100 hectares, which is so Hector, I'm just telling it in different languages, that they have given it to the frontline warriors of COVID-19, which means doctors, cleaners, not cleaners exactly, the municipal staff or anybody else. So that's how MG is doing its part of being the better and the best company. Let me tell you also, they have made some ventilators also for the COVID patients as well as for other patients. So MG is doing their part. We should also do our part. Like I am also going to do my part. We have already donated money, so now we'll be also helping in other ways. So yeah, let's do our own, let's do something for the government, let's do something for the COVID warriors from our side, how much we can do. So that was it from my side. If you like this video, do give this video a like. Also smash that subscribe button and smash that like button so that you never miss another update from AutoDNA. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.